In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Adobe Acrobat Pro for free. Whether you're looking to explore the full professional features or need advanced tools for your tasks, trying out Adobe Acrobat Pro can be a great opportunity. So let's dive into it. The first thing you'll need to do is open up your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser that you prefer to use. Once you're there, go ahead and type Adobe Acrobat Pro into the search bar. This will lead you to a page filled with helpful links showing various options. But we're interested in the official Adobe site to ensure we're getting a legitimate and safe download. Now, take a moment to look at the first result that appears. Typically, this will be the direct Adobe Acrobat Pro page. Click on that link to get started. You're now on the Adobe Acrobat Pro main page, and this is where you'll be able to access everything you need to set up your free trial. On this page, you should see an option that says Start Free Trial. Adobe offers this free trial period so you can test out their pro features at no cost before deciding if it's worth your investment. So, find that button and click on it. After clicking on the Start Free Trial button, you'll be informed that you're eligible for a 7-day free trial of Adobe Acrobat Pro. This gives you full access to all professional features during this period, making it a great way to fully explore what the software can do without any financial commitment up front. Once you're ready to proceed, you'll need to click on the Continue button. Here, Adobe will guide you through entering your card credentials. It's important to note that providing this information is a standard procedure for a free trial. Adobe uses it to streamline billing should you choose to continue with a paid subscription after the trial period ends. Don't worry. If you plan to use only the trial version, remember to mark the end date on your calendar to cancel before it expires, avoiding any unwanted charges. After entering your card details and personal information, you'll follow some straightforward instructions to complete setting up your account. This could include verifying your email address and creating an Adobe ID if you don't already have one. And there you have it. Once these steps are completed, you'll have free access to Adobe Acrobat Pro for 7 days. Make sure to take full advantage of this time to experiment with its features and see how it might meet your needs. Enjoy exploring everything Adobe Acrobat Pro has to offer, and don't forget to monitor your trial period. Thanks for watching and happy creating.